Concept system, we're doing a lot of retrofits. There's a lot of customers that have old equipment that is controlled by old PLC5s or whatever, and that equipment just needs to get updated. We provide a solution that quickly turns it around in little downtime, and we provide a solution that just ties into the existing equipment, but on a new standard with Ethernet communication capabilities tied into the plant network. It still works. We've put up a nice new HMI that makes it easier for operators to control the machine.
We usually go to customer sites and we look at their equipment and see what could be upgraded. Sometimes it's a mix of creating new panels or completely getting rid of their existing panels and designing a whole new system for them. But it's usually driven by the cost. Customers usually want a quick turnaround on their production, so we have to be aware of that scenario and work with them to come up with a good schedule where we can tear down their equipment and then install our system and be up and ready in a very short amount of time. So the challenge is usually schedule, the budget. So we're pretty good with that. We've done a lot of those systems.